up with it, y'all? It's JD with Calisthenics, and today I'm going to show you guys my top 6 beginner calisthenics exercises where you can build lean muscle. It's a total body workout, but these 6 exercises is pretty much where I got my start with my calisthenics journey and helped me progress into the more advanced exercises that I'm doing today. All right, y'all, the first exercise we're going to start off with is pull-ups. This is pretty much my base exercise for every single day's workout. I always start my day off with some pull-up variation. This is probably the most important exercise that you're going to do with calisthenics to build strength. All right, y'all. The next exercise we're going to do is parallel bar dips. This is basically your basic dip exercise. This is also going to build a lot of tricep strength. Also going to be a lot of upper body strength overall. Legs up, now. Push-ups. This is your basic chest exercise. It's also going to work your arms. This one's on a little bit of an incline, but you can do a regular push-up. A ton of different push-up variations. You got wide push-ups, diamond push-ups, regular push-ups, incline, decline, and so on and so forth. But we're going to do a little incline, regular push-up here. We're gonna work our core out. We're gonna go with some hanging leg raises. Everybody wants to have a nice abs, and this is what you start off with to get those abs, to build that strong core.
Yeah, on the board.
Keep your legs straight. To get your leg work in, and we're going to do that with some basic air squats. Different variations you can do with these. Sometimes I do jumping squats, sometimes I do squats with my legs close in, but today we're just going to do some regular air squats. video helped you out, and hopefully this can get you started on your calisthenics journey. Hopefully this can get you started on cutting that fat and building lean muscle and getting that physique that you always wanted.